Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Prien, local and long-distance movers near me. We would like to inform you that it's automatically considered long distance if your shift involves traveling beyond 50 miles and above. We understand a long-distance move is never easy to plan. The biggest hurdle one has to face is shifting belongings. At the same time, few permits and licenses will also be required to complete out-of-state and international shifts. But if you hire professionals like 3 Movers, you'll have a seamless shift. We not only provide seamless shifts and offers like packing, loading, shifting, unloading, and reinstalling your products, and also at a certified firm, we have BBB accreditation, licenses, and also legal permits provided by local and federal authorities. Although people try not to hire movers for a local shift, we should always take help of trained movers, even if you're trying to shift to a nearby locality. As the shifting process is the same, hiring professionals like 3 Movers is a better option. We have trained and qualified movers who can navigate your shift, handling your belongings carefully. Plus, we can make sure to keep a professional approach and notify the charges beforehand and promise to provide same-day local shifting. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Prien moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.